Hi everyone.
Hi.
And welcome to our brand new holiday vlog series. We're going on holiday today.
The start of a holiday vlog, so we hope you enjoy it and enjoy seeing what we get up to. So
yeah,
we're leaving a bit later today.
We're leaving at like 6 p.m. It's like, what's the time? I don't know.
But yeah, catch up with you later.
Oh, we've got our suitcases in the car as well. So I think I'm going to show you just what's in my bag. I'm literally standing by the window because here it's dark. But yeah, so I'm just going to show you, yeah, what I'm taking on holiday, and Kelly will do a bit as well. So, get on the floor. So obviously this is my bag. It is my Mickey bag, as you know. It's on my birthday haul, so you know. I might do an eye somewhere here. I don't know if we learn how to do that. I don't know, but yeah. So got my bag. I'm taking my Dear Evan Hansen hat and my Mickey hat. It's gonna be a bit hard to show you, but in here, so I've got some colouring books. You know, I've got a Harry Potter Fantastic Beasts one and then an Art of Disney one. Just, you know, something to do if we're bored. Oh, got my Eclipse book in there. Just got some face masks in there. You can't see colouring pencils, but also I will be taking all my camera stuff so I can charge it. Yeah, the light's a bit dark, but oh well. So yeah, that is my bag.
Okay, so we're not going to a bit later, like I said earlier. So I'm just packing up like little bits because my brother's going to watch the football that's on today. I think it's friendly or something. So yeah, we're not leaving till a bit later. So I'm just packing up like the little odd bits and bobs. So I've got my razor in there, nail varnish, and I've got in there also my contact lens. Part is wow. And then in this bag, this one's heavy. So this bag is just got makeup, chargers, my diary, because I need my diary, deodorant, all that jazz. Currently watching So Helen Martin while finishing off getting ready, and then I've got my other handbag, so my Alice one. Don't really know where to stand it, but in here, again, I've just got reading book, so obviously reflection, tablet, makeup, student card for like when we go out places, the student prices, hairbrush. Then I've basically just got like a pile of masks here. I don't want you to see my picture. So yeah. And then I've just got we normally put like our shoes and all our toothbrushes and stuff and that all together, so we just got to sort that out. So shoes, coats, toiletries, rest of toiletries I mean. And then everything's done. So yeah, I kind of just chopped my hair in plaits. It's not the best, I'm not the best at plaits or hair in general, but we move. I was going to Dutch, but I did Dutch and it didn't look too good, so I kind of just did French plait for now. I mean, I'm not amazing at French plait, but I'm better at French plait than Dutch because I literally just learned how to Dutch, right? So Helena Martin.
If he still has.
I never seem to watch them on vlogs. Kyle always watches them on vlogs, but yeah, I love them. So yeah, I'm kind of just going for not really too much anything because I've got my makeup and stuff packed, and it's kind of one of those lazy travel days. So yeah, this is a long video, I'm very sorry, but yeah, trying to give you guys content.
Whenever I vlog, I always seem to watch So Helena and Martin, but I feel in the travelling mood, so I'm going to go watch some Brogan Tate. She's going to Iceland on an adventure because it's her birthday. Yeah, so I'm just going to be watching... that. And... yeah. Oh, I'm yellow. Oh. I've been listening to the Online Offline podcast, which is Brogan and her friend Bianca, I think. And I think it's a very good podcast, so go and listen to it. It's called Online Offline. And they just talk about online and offline, you know, the struggles and, you know, sharing stuff. But yeah, I think it's nice and relaxing. Like I can just have it on in the background, play, and go on my iPad, read a book with it. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna go watch some Brogan because I want to, and she's good.
Our Iceland adventure. It's my birthday tomorrow, and so in light of that, we have booked a holiday as a family to go to Iceland.
So I made this choreography up myself, just so Helen and Martin's film. Can't even see us all. You can see us. You couldn't really see us, but oh wow.
I fell.
Yeah, we do this weird.
She's like, what are you doing?
Oh, okay.
I can't really see.
I can't do it properly. Hello everyone.
Buongiorno.
Silencio Bruno.
Silencio Bruno.
I haven't picked up the camera in a while.
No need to really though. We haven't really done
Yeah, we haven't done much.
anything exciting.
Had lunch
Yeah.
or dinner. Kelly, we've done some colouring like on a game on our iPads, a tablet. Kelly done some singing, Taylor Swift.
Of course.
It's now.
Yeah, just putting the last bits and bobs together now, and
Yes.
waiting for the football to finish so we can slowly head off soon.
Yeah, it's now 3:30, so we've got like an hour and a bit, hour and a half.
Yeah, we'll say
Whenever
roughly an hour and a
our
half.
brother gets back, and then we'll be going.
Just getting ready.
We're in the car. All the stuff is in the back. We're going on holiday. It's now 5 past
Next time you
5.
see us, we'll be there.
There's Kelly. We're here! Yay! And our caravan's over there.
We'll show him in. You better carry some stuff as well.
So we're here in the caravan. Kelly just fell over. It's very zoomed in.
Just do a quick look.
Yeah, so kitchen area, little there. Is there a TV? Yeah, there's a TV.
Excuse the mess, we're
There.
just grabbing some bits.
Hello. So this is my room. So this is the toilet. Nice little area, mirror, and then shower. This caravan is pretty good. Very spacious. It's like a luxury one. It's very good. So I'm just in my room, and there's like a picture. So I'm gonna show you. Nice light. Lights, camera, action, yeah.
So cute.
Yeah. We're at the beach.
And walking on that bit.
Yeah. Can't really see.
Ooh, looks good on video. It looks yellow.
Sunset. There we go.
Pretty.
The lights are pretty over there. These flowers are nice. going down some steps to the beach. Ugh. Oh God, sand. Woohoo! I literally just fell over. So that's fun. Wait, what? Do it again. Oh, you can see, you can't see anything.
Oh wow. Ready?
Can't really see. Oh, literally fallen over so many times, can't see, it's literally pitch black. So, yeah. So we just went out for a walk and we're back. It was very nice. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week, but we're filming tomorrow.